If you're feeling scattered throughout your day, like your brain is just bouncing from one thing to the next, there's a neurological reason for this. Once you understand how this works, you can reprogram how you experience your entire day. Let me tell you about something that's controlling your experience of reality right now, but that most people have never heard of. It's called your reticular activating system, or your RAS. This is a network of neurons at the base of your brainstem, and it functions as your brain's gatekeeper. Here's what's happening. Every single second, your brain receives approximately 11 million bits of sensory information. But your conscious mind can only process about 40 to 50 bits per second. Your RAS acts as a filter. It determines what information reaches your conscious awareness based on what your brain has learned is important. Your RAS is programmable. You've experienced this phenomenon before. When you buy a new car and suddenly you notice that same model everywhere. Before you bought it, you didn't even know. The cars were always there, but now your brain is filtering them into your awareness. That's your RAS at work. The same neurological principles apply to emotional states and behavioral patterns. When you set a clear intention, especially first thing in the morning, you're essentially programming your RAS to filter your experiences, opportunities, and information that align with that intention. This isn't manifestation or positive thinking. This is applied neuroscience, working with your brain's natural filtering system instead of letting it operate on default mode. So this leads me to my daily habit challenge. I call it the anchor habit, and it takes less than 2 minutes. Step 1, in the morning when you get up, before you check your phone, before you dive into your to-do list, give yourself 1 minute. You can do this just sitting on the edge of your bed, during your first cup of coffee, or even in your car before you start driving. Step 2, ask yourself one specific question. How do I want to feel as I move through today? Not what you need to accomplish, not your task list, not what's on your schedule. How do you want to feel? Step 3, choose your anchor word. Select one word that captures that feeling state and keep it simple and specific. Here are some examples: calm, focused, present, grounded, confident, patient, steady. Just one word, something that sets a positive tone and anchor for the day. Now, you want to pick something positive. Then close your eyes, connect with what the word actually feels like in your body. Where do you feel that sense of calm? Is it in your shoulders? Once you pick your word, just close your eyes and say the word slowly 3 times. If you pick calm, say calm, calm, calm. You can say it to yourself if you're in public. Connect with that word. What does calm feel like in your body? It means dropping your shoulders back. It means softening your voice, lowering your eyesight, and relaxing your jaw. What does it feel like to you? Throughout the day, if you feel yourself getting tense, remember your anchor word and that feeling. Or if you pick focus, what does focus feel like? Pick a word that feels right to you and can help you when things are crazy. When you actually speak it and feel it, you're activating your RAS. You can use this throughout the day as a recalibration point. Commit to this practice every morning for at least 7 days. That way it can be wired in as a habit, and you will feel much lighter, be more resilient, and manage your stress. And you'll even find like you'll start being able to put out vibrations out there that brings positive things your way. You'll start meeting different kinds of people. You'll start finding new opportunities. It's just incredible how this works. I hope this was helpful. Please follow or subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. If you're listening on the podcast, you may want to check out my YouTube channel, as there are videos on there that aren't on the podcast that you may enjoy. Thanks for listening or watching, and have a fantastic, calm day.